Good morning. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Bullish Network. Buffett, Trump, the modern day gold rush. Buffett has quadrupled his investment in this Ripple partnered bank, and you guys do not want to miss this show. He also increased his percentage in Bank of America, 21 million shares between the 28th and the 29th of this month. So this is the new gold rush. What does Buffett know? Guys, you do not want to miss this video. Smash them thumbs up, hit that subscribe. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey on the internet of value. Bank of America wants to go cashless. Shout out to Digital Asset Daily discussion on Bank of America in a cashless society. And he also referenced XRP since birth in this video. I believe this information did come from XRP since birth. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway bought 21 million shares of Bank of America between Tuesday and Thursday. XRP since birth right there, guys. Asset Daily, I wonder why. He tagged him. He actually did a really good video, which made me jump down that rabbit hole a little bit, and I will link both of these in the description also, XRP since birth and Digital Asset Daily. Now this is the article they were talking about. Bank of America CEO, we want a cashless society. Whoa, so that's a pretty big deal right there. With 27 million mobile customers, 37 million digital customers, and more than half of its transactions already digitized via methods like payments application Zelle, said the banking industry will continue to move toward a digital tech-enabled model. Now, if you think about a majority type of technology that people talk about, voice recognition, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all those apply to our industry. Now, if you go down here, we want a cashless society, he said. We have more to gain than anybody from pure operating cost perspective. Wow. So that's Bank of America wants to go cashless right there. Now, we'll link this in the description. Now, Warren Buffett's bet on this bank quadrupled in just 6 years, thanks in no small part to Donald Trump. Buffett's $5 billion bet on the Bank of America is now worth nearly $20 billion. So Buffett may not have supported Trump candidacy for president, but the 86-year-old billionaire certainly benefited from the unexpected outcome, which is really interesting, guys. We're going to talk about Trump ran his whole presidency on rolling back regulation. Now, once Trump won the election, what did he do? He came out with the Executive Order 13772 and is rolling back regulation on banking entities. If those warrants have become extraordinarily valuable since the president election last February, the low point for the bank stocks in 2016, warrants were worth $2.8 billion, but by the beginning of November, their value had climbed to $6.3 billion. So, all this comes on the heels of Trump's unexpected victory in the election, which convinced investors that profits at banks like Bank of America could soon soar, as long as Trump follows through on his campaign vows to boost economic growth and reduce regulation in the banking industry, which he did. While steering clear of trade war, it seems reasonable to assume that investors could be proven right. So that's really interesting right there. Warren Buffett's big bet on this bank has quadrupled. And also, Buffett Berkshire boasts its stake in Bank of America to 11%. Now, we all know that Ripple Bank of America is a Ripple partner, and Bank of America runs on Ripple. Now, Warren Buffett Berkshire Hathaway said on Thursday it has brought another $522 million of stock of Bank of America, boosting its already large stake in the second largest U.S. bank by assets. Berkshire bought 21 million Bank of America shares from July 28th to the 30th, according to regulatory filing. Now, this has, I believe, a lot to do with why XRP is on fire right now. Berkshire spent more than $1.7 billion on 71.5 million Bank of America shares since July 20th, including the latest purchase, according to a regulatory filing. Wow, so that's pretty big right there. So what does Buffett know? Why is he increasing his stake in Bank of America? One, I think it clearly ties to the regulation that Trump rolled back, and I think they know what each other's doing. And also, guys, to acquire this percentage in Bank of America, he also had to file an executive order with the Trump administration because no one private entity can own this much quantity of a stake in a U.S. bank. So that is pretty interesting there. But I truly believe that Warren Buffett wants the exposure to Ripple. What's the secret sauce to Bank of America? It's XRP and ODL. That is Buffett's exposure to the greatest digital asset, this new asset class. Buffett knows what's going on. Now, when I say, guys, this is your new modern day gold rush, I want to basically parallel this article to what I'm talking about. Robinhood FOMO potential. Bitcoin pulling a Kodak means 6 figures. So I'm saying Robinhood FOMO potential XRP pulling a Kodak, and this is what I mean. If you guys don't know what FOMO is fear of missing out. Retail traders on Robinhood have been increasingly seeing fear of missing out FOMO rallies around certain stocks. The latest has been the stock price of a renowned camera manufacturer, Kodak, whose stock surged from $2 to $60 in one day. Now, this makes really interesting scenario because once people hear about the percentage and the volatility from $2 to $60, this will make people want to FOMO into this big time. So if you scroll down to right here, now as of July 28th, U.S. President Trump said Kodak would receive $765 million loan to create Kodak Pharmaceuticals. Now if you go down here, Kodak saw the rally that even outperformed the 2017 parabolic uptrend of Bitcoin in a single trading session. The stock rose 318%. It broke through 20 circuit breakers, securing 1.5 billion in market cap. At its peak, Kodak surged 2,000% in 2 days. Now that's what I'm saying about FOMO, because considering the sudden surge of Kodak price from 2 to 60, a similar rally would translate into Bitcoin prices well over 6 figures. Now, if you go to right here, and this is what I mean about Robinhood, and I mean this is what I mean about FOMO. Meanwhile, the report nets that there was more than 100,000 Robinhood users now hold the Kodak stock, but before the announcement, there was less than 10,000 users who are holding the Kodak stock. So that's what I mean, guys. There's going to be something significant that happens in this digital market that's going to cause a modern day gold rush to digital currencies, to XRP. Just like Kodak, they only had 10,000 holders and they went to 100,000 holders within a matter of a few days. So just imagine when people hear about this opportunity in this volatile asset class, and this will be a utility bull run, not speculation bull run. So I truly believe this is the modern day gold rush. Now, Buffett bought 21 million shares of Bank of America. We just showed you guys that. And he bought those on July 28th and the 30th, and actually XRP is on fire right now. And this could also have something to do with that, guys. XRP acknowledges fast and cheap bridge currency in new G30 report. G30, an elite bankers group, praises XRP in the latest report while shedding light on opportunities in cryptocurrency. Now, we talked about this on the morning stream, guys. Basically, in this G30 is Mark Carney, Augustus Carcine, Bank of International Settlements, also former Ripple board director is in the G30. We also tied it to Lawrence Summers, who sits on the digital currency group. This is Lawrence Summers right here. He's also on the G30. He's also on the board of the digital currency group, which is Barry Silbert. But this is kind of interesting too, guys, because we also have Glenn Hutchins here on the board of the digital currency group, and he is the co-founder at Silver Lake. Now, if you jump down the rabbit hole a little bit about Brad Garlinghouse here, Bradley Kent, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO and the board of director when he was at Yahoo, and he served as a senior advisor at Silver Lake Partners. So that means he was an advisor to Glenn Hutchins at Silver Lake right here. Silver Lake Partners, founders Glenn Hutchins right there, assets under management 43 billion, and Brad Garlinghouse was an advisor to Glenn Hutchins, who sits on Digital Currency Group. So that kind of makes you wonder, Digital Currency Group is the very first investor in Ripple Labs and Coinbase, and Glenn Hutchins is also very bullish on XRP. Do you kind of see the picture unfolding here? Very, very interesting there. G30 Elite Bankers Group praises XRP in its latest report while shedding light on opportunities related to cryptocurrencies. And it ties to Big BG himself. So that is a very interesting scenario right there. Digital Currency Group, who we are. I want to give a huge shout out to my brother, XRP Viking. Amazing interview with CEO of Safe Haven. SHA is up 219%. I will link this interview in the description. You guys know we're very bullish on SHAPLA, VeChain, that's the whole VeChain ecosystem. I want to give a huge shout out to my brother, Deshaun the Legend Goodwin. Coinbase continues to explore support for new digital assets. This is actually really good, guys. They talk about they're also exploring opportunities for digital assets that have not been listed yet. I did find some digital assets that's backed by Coinbase and Binance that haven't been launched yet. And that's why I say you guys want to smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe and notification bell, because we are constantly down the rabbit hole searching for pre-parabolic bull run tokens. Now, I got this article from the legend Goodwin himself. XRP is up 30% and has 30 new whales. 30 new whales are gobbling up XRP in a sign some big investors are rethinking the cryptocurrency. The number of accounts holding more than 1 million XRP has increased by 3.7%, with 30 new whales appearing over the last 2 weeks. So that clearly shows you guys something is going on behind the scenes. Warren Buffett is snatching up Bank of America shares. There's 30 new whales snatching up millions of XRP. Something clearly is going on. The price is gaining momentum. And I think this is going to be a very interesting weekend. That is for sure. So 21 million shares, Bank of America, the new gold rush. What do you guys think? The bullish bull logo will come down right now. Smash that logo to subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. You will be notified when I release a video daily. Much love. Mahalo.